To export a portfolio report in Debank, start by logging into your Debank account and navigating to the portfolio page. This page provides an overview of your current assets, including their value and distribution across different platforms. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the portfolio summary section and select Export. From the drop-down menu, this will open a new window where you can choose the export format, either CSV or Excel. Select the desired format and then choose the data range you want to include in the report. You can choose from predefined ranges such as today, yesterday, this week, or this month, or set a custom range using the calendar tool. After selecting the data range, you can choose which columns to include in the report. Debank allows you to customize the report to include various metrics such as asset name, balance, value, and price. Make your selections and click the Export button to generate the report. The exported report will provide a detailed breakdown of your portfolio, including the value of each asset, the total value of your portfolio, and the distribution of your assets across different platforms. You can use this report to track your portfolio's performance over time, identify trends, and make informed investment decisions. It is a good practice to regularly export and review your portfolio report to stay on top of your investments and ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your investment goals. Additionally, you can use the exported report to import your data into other tools or spreadsheets for further analysis and tracking. By following these steps, you can easily export a portfolio report in Debank and gain valuable insights into your investment portfolio. This will help you make better investment decisions and achieve your long-term financial goals.